Sue, what are you doing today?
Well, today is the day to face my fears in Oklahoma City.
Oh yeah?
First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ride that teeter-totter over there. It looks really big, a little scary.
Ooh, it looks pointy.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to face my fear of pointy things.
Okay.
But then, I'm going to face my fear of heights. I am skydiving today.
You're kidding. Oh my God. You'd never catch Mark doing that.
You have the perfect hairstyle. Braided hair is going to keep it from getting done.
This is it. I'm facing my fears. Today, I'm skydiving. Oh.
And
He's not.
I hope I'm not without a spouse by the time we're done here. So.
The real thing. And you don't need to jump from 12,000 feet to experience skydiving.
Show me legs straight. Show me relax. Beautiful. Show me legs bent. How fast are you going to bend your legs?
Very slow.
Very slow. Little closer. Yes. Perfect. All right. I'm going to grab our driver and we'll get started. I don't know. I'm all fogged up.
She said when you go in there, you'll unfog
Yeah.
real quick, be like a defroster.
We were here on a Monday afternoon, which meant it was pretty slow. There were only a couple other people that were actually taking lessons. So the bench I'm sitting on a weekend would normally be filled with like 10 to 12 people, which means Emmeline would have been taking care of everybody. So lucky me, I had her all to myself. So you can see here Emmeline is hanging on to me and giving me hand signals on how to hold my body. I signed up for 3 flights. This one is just 1 minute and I'm just learning how to get my balance.
We watched various people do this and you have no idea how good she's doing compared to the other people. I think it's the pigtails. I see 106 miles an hour, 107 miles an hour, the wind was.
So now there's a little debriefing. We can look at the video and she's giving me suggestions on how to hold my hands. And next time I'm going in for 1.5 minutes, and this time I am going to use my hands and my legs, go forward, back, and to turn in circles.
Only 63 miles an hour. Oh my God. Wow.
That was cool, eh?
Hey.
So here I go with my third flight, another minute and a half. During this flight, I actually was able to maneuver myself a little bit better with my hands, getting in circles, forward, back. It's pretty cool. Notice how little she needs to hang on to me this time. She said I was a star student. So now that I was done, Emmeline jumped in and showed us her stuff. Freaking amazing.
Oh my God.
I can see this being the motivator to keep us coming back. I know I would if I could. Watch your exit.